In 7-2, you will learn the property of multiplying powers with the same base. The idea here is that we're using repeated multiplication to come up with a shortcut, which the shortcut is to multiply powers with the same base, add the exponents. So let's use this concept explained here, repeated multiplication, to understand our shortcut. So in our first example, 11 to the power of 5 times 11 to the power of 2. I will use the repeated multiplication method to explain this. 11 times 11 times 11 times 11 times 11 represents the 11 to the power of 5. That we're going to multiply by 11 times 11, which is this 11 to the power of 2. If you count up how many 11s are being multiplied all together, we get a total of 7. So that comes from 5 plus 2, which gives us 11 to the power of 7. So this shows us why we can simply add the exponents to get right to our answer. So let's use the shortcut now. In part B, we have our base negative 2.5, which is being raised to the power of 4 in the first power, times the second one has an exponent of 6. So we're going to add the exponents 4 and 6 since we're multiplying two powers that both have the base negative 2.5. So we keep the base negative 2.5 and raise that to the power of 4 plus 6, which is 10. Now, in part C, all three powers have the same base, which is 6. Therefore, we know we can add the exponents 4 plus 5 plus this negative 3, which remember adding a negative is the same as just subtracting. So now we have 4 plus 5 is 9 plus negative 3 or minus 3 is a 6. So we have 6 as our base to the power of 6.